Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Coda buttons to automate actions, save time, and make your documents interactive and powerful. Coda buttons allow you to perform actions with a single click. Start by opening your Coda doc and creating a table, such as a task list or project tracker. Add a new column and choose Button as the column type. Once added, click the button settings to define what happens when it's pressed. You can update rows, change statuses, set dates, add new entries, or even push data to another table. For example, you can create a button that marks a task as completed, moves it to the next stage, and records the completion date automatically. Buttons can also work with formulas, filters, and linked tables, which means you can trigger actions only when certain conditions are met. This is perfect for workflows like approvals, content publishing, CRM updates, or follow-up tracking. You can place buttons inside tables, at the top of pages, or inside dashboards to control multiple actions at once. Combine buttons with checkboxes and views to build clean, user-friendly systems for your team. Always test your buttons, use clear labels, and keep actions simple so everything runs smoothly. That's it for today. If this guide helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for